Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Tips by Name. Today in this video I am going to recommend you some products related to your hair and skin problems. Links to all the products will be in the description box below. So first thing first, I got this Good Vibes Rose Hip Serum in 10 ml pack. I have tried this serum before and I absolutely loved it. I have combination skin and it worked amazing for my skin. Gave my skin a very radiant glow and you just need 2 drops of it. So this 10 ml bottle will take up to 1 month to finish. Then I got this Aloe Vera IMF Moisturizer Lotion. It's perfect for sensitive acne prone skin type. So this was recommended to me by my dermatologist. It feels so light on the skin, and if you have dry skin you can use aloe vera cream, not the lotion. So I got 3 anti-dandruff shampoos according to the severeness of dandruff. So first I got this Head and Shoulder anti-dandruff shampoo in their neem variant. If you are facing very mild dandruff, then you can try this shampoo. You will see a very noticeable result in just one wash. Other than removing dandruff completely, it will make your hairs very soft and bouncy. Then for considerable dandruff, you can try this Candid TV suspension shampoo. It was suggested to me by my dermatologist. In like 3 to 4 uses, you can see a very nice noticeable difference. And to remove off your dandruff completely, you can use it for like 7 to 8 times in a month and your dandruff will be gone. Then for severe dandruff, I have this Selsun suspension anti-dandruff shampoo. You must consider a doctor before using this shampoo and you should read the instructions very clearly before using it. Next up, I got this Let's Shave Bikini Line Trimming Razor for women. They come in a pack of 3. The size of the razor is perfect, like you won't feel scared while using this razor. It's so tiny and cute. I tried this on my hands for now. It feels so soft and removed my hair nicely, but make sure to use the shaving foam before shaving. Lastly, I got these makeup organizers. They come in a set of 5 with different sizes. The quality of these are not up to the mark and I highly regret purchasing it. So this was it for this video. Please like this video and subscribe to Beauty Tips by Name for more homemade remedies and wellness tips.